Hey guys, Mel from the 441, and oh my god, I'm not in Navy. I'm working from home today. I've only got one client. Later on, we're starting to see the changes in the less pressure, which is nice. I'm not fully sure what I'm doing today. I need to do a brain dump. I have just been doing some accounting, stopped to make breakfast, and I got a package. I got a package from the MG Naturals. So I said, we're not doing unboxing. So this is the makeup company that I am trying to swap to. Hopefully I like their stuff. And it's actually got a little thing on the front because they've actually got like eco-friendly tape, which I like. Your skin's day is about to get a whole lot better, which is kind of cute. Wow, this more eco-friendly tape is really tough. So I don't know if I'll bother actually trying the makeup right now because I do want to do a workout and I have other work I want to do today. But maybe next week I might put on some makeup and yeah. Not that it'll be a great makeup tutorial. I don't wear makeup a whole lot. Okay, so when you open it, you get a little note here. And it says, enjoy your skin-loving makeup. Share your unboxing. Use the hashtag MGNaturals. Good for your skin and the environment. 100% sustainable and biodegradable packaging. And the makeup is 100% titanium oxide free. And then they give you a little thank you, Mel. Welcome to beauty so clean you could eat it. Your skin is going to love you. No more nasty chemicals, just makeup you can trust. No more titanium dioxide damaging your skin, just glowing healthy skin. No more toxins, just pure organic vegan goodness for your skin and the planet. We love seeing you unbox your orders and use our makeup. Share your stories and tag us at MG Naturals and you could win $100 to spend every month. Did not know any of that when I unboxed this. I just wanted to show you guys what I am hopefully changing to if I like them. So I ordered a couple of lipsticks and I think it was one eyeshadow and a load of samples. So this is just, I'm guessing, the two lipsticks. The lipstick is good until October next year. This one is Raspberry Bliss. It's vegan, it's organic. It would be nice if the expiry date was on the lipstick. I'll just say that straight away. Very soft. Here. I like that. It's kind of like a Your Lips but better pink, soft pink. So that's that one. And then the other one I think I ordered was a red. I just want to keep my makeup really simple. Like if I have to get through a whole lipstick and all that in oh, it's got castor oil. So it's basically like a lip balm. And then this is the red I ordered, which I thought would be thicker. I'm so bad at this. There's two colors. I really like it's got castor oil. So there you go. I like those two colors. They're quite, like it's red and it's bold, but at the same time it's like a subtle bold. So that's the lipsticks. Oh, there's Happy Mother's Day stickers on them. I forgot that Sunday was Mother's Day. That's cute. Oh, so I got a eyeliner. So they're all good until about October next year. That looks okay. Which means I should actually probably start wearing makeup, like for real. And then this is the soft pink eyeshadow. It's called Stardust. How cool is that? And it's like a creamy, it's very subtle, whatever it is. Yeah, it's very subtle. So it would be, I'm just not sure about the separating. I have hooded eyes. So my thing is, you know, when your eyeshadow comes up here, and how do you stop that? Maybe some translucent powder, but I like that. Maybe some translucent powder. And then I think these, oh no, I don't know what this is. Maybe some more samples. Oh, they give me samples. Oh no, sorry guys. I got a, it's a little other sample pack. So this one is Mineral Blush, Mineral Veil. And this is a Skin Guardian. Soothes away redness and irritation. Carrot seed oil, heals and repairs. Evening primrose oil, seaweed buckhorn oil, and skin regeneration powerhouse. So few drops of Skin Guardian to palm your hands, gently rub together to disperse and apply to your face and neck. So I guess it's just like a serum. I didn't really look at their skincare because I'm trying to make my own skincare. But let's have a look at, I got 4 different samples of foundation because I'm quite pale. And I didn't really know which one would be for me. I'm usually ivory, but this time of year ivory might be too dark. Or too pale, I mean. But let's have, I open that enough. No, I didn't tear it down far enough. Okay. Maybe I can put these in little pots or something. Actually, I can. I've got those pots. I got some pots in the charity shop. They're a bit big. I've got other ones in the kitchen so that are a little bit smaller. Maybe I could use those. Oh, there we go. There's actually a fair bit in here because these were only like $2, I think. Oh, that's a lot. So right now, that's probably going to be too pale for me. That's my ghostly winter white colour. So ivory is out. It might work for winter. I feel like olive is going to be too maybe yellow toned for me. Or what's it? Was it green toned? Green toned and blue toned. Different finger. It's quite creamy. My lighting is terrible here. No, I need to be that way. There we go. You can see that one's a bit pale. That one's blending in okay. So that was olive. I think it's better than ivory. And then these are BB creams. Apparently this is a summer one. It's so good that they do the samples though, because I don't think they're in any stores yet. They're a relatively new small business, which is awesome because as a small business owner, it's great to be able to support other small businesses. So this time I'll go over here. And yeah, the fact that they're Aussie based as well. So I'm just going to put some more of this olive here so you guys can see. Oh, messy. You can see each one. And then I'll just do the last one. The mineral veil I might just leave for now. It's actually not that much in a difference. So that is that one. That is that one. So far, can't believe I'm saying this, but the one I thought that would be the worst is actually probably the most suitably matched. That one's not bad too. It is toning down my big red nose. How good is it to have skincare or makeup that you know is actually helping your body rather than hindering your body? Yeah, I think it's actually going to be number 2, olive. So that's those, that's the lipstick, go that way. Yeah, they actually look like they work well if you wanted to blend them together. Not that I'm a fantastic makeup artist. And then there's eyelash with no eyeshadow, eyelash with eyeshadow, and I like that. It's a real subtle pink. So once I use the samples, and I'm happy with the samples, I might even give this a couple of minutes to set and come back and see which one of 1, 2, 3, 4 works best. And then yeah, I'll order that, and I might order a couple of their other eyeshadows because the few things that I bought was already over $100, and you know, I don't need to buy everything all at once, especially when I don't know how quick I'll be using the makeup. What is the shelf life on Stardust? Doesn't actually say. Because everything is organic, it's not going to last as long. I freaking love that there's like pretty much castor oil in everything. I'm a big advocate for castor oil. Jojoba oil in the lip balm as well. Cacao butter. Yeah, that's awesome. So there you go, guys. That is my very impromptu unboxing. Sorry about the hair. I've decided to grow it out finally after almost 2 years. It would have been 2 years in July when I cut it all for cancer treatment, cancer awareness for one of my friends. But talking to my hairdresser, she's hurt her ribs. She broke her ribs there on a holiday. She reckons I should just try and grow it out. Up here is actually down about this length now. And I did try to do like a bob one of the days, but there's just not enough hair to make it look cool. So we'll see. I might contemplate chopping off the top to match in here. And then just grow it all out the one length, but we'll see. We'll see. If anyone has any suggestions that's growing out a pixie cut with a long top before, please let me know, because it's hard to know how it'll go. Right now it just looks like it needs a haircut, but as it gets longer, I don't know how it's gonna look, and if I'm better off just chopping off the top and making it all the one. But I am gonna go and finish my coffee, take off this lipstick, and do a bit of a brain dump. We're supposed to be going camping tomorrow, down to Dwelling Up, so I might do a little bit of filming of that, but maybe on the decent camera, because obviously the phone battery and everything won't last long because we just tint it. And I better go and get some stuff ready for that, and I want to finish off a little bit more bookwork. So there you go, guys. There's my impromptu, not a makeup person, makeup unboxing for MG Naturals, which is a Queensland based company. If I can find a discount code for them, I know they have an Instagram discount code if you follow them, but I'll see if I can find one and link it in the description of this video. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.